What is one myth about AI you often hear and find yourself clarifying?
So for me, being an AI content guy, it is AI can create content. You know, when ChatGPT came out and everybody was saying it can write posts, it's like, why would you do that when you could just do it yourself? And for me personally, is like, I've never been the best copywriter. So the whole reason I started posting online was because of AI as a topic, but also to help me write. So I think it's really advanced since then. We've got Sora and these like video models which are becoming incredibly powerful, and you know, the rise of deep fakes and all of this tech. It's interesting. So for me, it's not a threat as many people see. And I know people like to hang on to the old way of doing things, but it's the same when, you know, the internet became a thing. Everyone's like, this isn't gonna be the future, but AI and content, it is like, it's so clear, and it's just doing it tastefully and effectively, which I strive to do every day. Yeah, people don't like AI for content, but I believe it's so powerful, especially the way we're heading when most companies are becoming media companies now. It's the way to generate leads, it's the way to attract buyers. So yeah, that is probably the biggest thing I fight every single day, Ashley.